create a new pipeline labeled move myself on the left. Here we have conversations, we have calendars, dashboard, the launchpad, the conversations, the calendars, the contacts, and the opportunities. That's what we were looking for. In the opportunities, what we are going to do is create a new opportunity. So add an opportunity, create a new one. So how do I do that? I click on pipelines first, real estate leads, and then give different stages like new lead, add a stage, qualified, yet another stage that is appointment scheduled. The fourth stage could be property viewing. The fifth one would be negotiation. Negotiation. The sixth one would be closed, and the seventh one would be a follow. So these are the stages, and we click on save. Now we have the opportunity. Now, if I go back to opportunities, I will see this right here, real estate leads. And I have new leads, qualified, appointment scheduled, property viewing, negotiation, closed, and follow-ups. Now, what the idea of this is that you would be seeing every single lead at one place and you exactly know where they are in your qualification system. Once you're done with this, we move on to creating a lead generation funnel. For this, I move on to sites, funnels, create a new funnel. I can create a funnel from blank, a funnel using the AI, and from templates. So I use templates for ease of reference. Now, when I've selected templates, I see a lot of templates here. I select real estate. Here we have different templates from selling real estate services, property leads, and so on. Let's select property leads. This is how it's going to look like. I click on continue, and it's adding the template right in front of me. Takes a while to add this, but it's pretty quick. Almost done. And here it is. So I have my funnel ready. I can do some customizations, obviously, in use enticing images of properties and a compelling offer. Example, get exclusive listing directly to your inbox. Now this is a page. You can make some changes. You can change the CTA and do all the changes that you want over here. And you can see it both for the mobile view and the desktop view. Let's keep it for the mobile view. You can update your logo over here. You can update the content, send us a message, you add a contact form, add your listings that's there, and boom, you are done. You're ready to publish your funnel. Now, once you are done with this, once you have integrated the lead forms and all of this, you click on save and publish and come back. Next, what you do is you automate the funnel. So to automate the funnels, we get into automations. I click on automation and I can create a new workflow. I select the workflow from scratch. I name it real estate leads, nurture, and here I set up the trigger. Whenever that particular form that is there on that landing page is submitted, what are the things that you want to do? You want to send an instant SMS, an email confirmation to welcome new leads. You schedule follow-up communications providing valuable content like property listings. And what you can also do is once you have selected the trigger, what you can also do is let's look for a trigger here. Let's say a contact created is the trigger. That's what would happen when a contact form is submitted. We first of all would want to add these people to the CRM. So I would say create an opportunity in real estate leads. The pipeline stage would be new lead. Opportunity name would be, hmm, let's leave it blank. And here it creates the opportunity, and then I can click on SMS, send an SMS, email, send an email, and so on. So we can keep building the workflow, and you can also use this workflow AI. So help me with workflow to nurture real estate leads. Now that's the best thing. You do it all using AI without having to occupy your brain into thinking what the workflow should be. So this right here is going to tell you everything about this workflow, how the workflow should be structured, and then you can simply go in and build that workflow. Now, once you are done with that, you can also add some chatbot feature, AI voice features to your landing pages, which we'll talk about in more details in some other section. But yeah, this is mainly about setting up your CRM, getting it ready, having your landing page, the funnel, the forms, and the workflows and automations. So once you have done all of this, so here it is, start the workflow with a trigger. This could be this, create and update contacts, send welcome email, add a tag, wait step, send follow-up SMS, call, internal notification, create an update opportunity, add a note, conditional split if yes logic, you can apply if or else logic, and then a review request once the lead is, and so on. So that's exactly how the workflow could be looking like. And here we are kind of done with setting things up here. There you have it, a powerful all-in-one solution customized for your real estate business, letting you close more deals with less effort and zero revenue sharing. By implementing these steps, you'll gain full control over your sales pipelines, boost your lead conversions, and significantly grow your revenue. And here is the exciting part. I'm giving you a free full 30 days trial of GoHighLevel plus access to exclusive courses previously sold for $1,000 that have helped successfully agents build $10,000 per month recurring revenue business. You'll also become part of our premium community and weekly live coaching sessions absolutely free. All you have to do is hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below letting me know what feature excites you the most about Go High Level. Once done, check the description below for immediate access. Have a good day.